guys, it's B. This is the second part to this outfit. This is the high-waisted shorties tutorials. Here is your list of materials. You will need a pair of shorts or bloomers that you can trace. Here I'm using a pair of my daughter's bloomers. These are the measurements that you will need for the elastics, the waist, the mid or upper thighs, depending on if you're doing shorts or bloomers. First, you're going to pin down your shorts onto your piece of fabric. You are going to measure and add 1.5 inch along the sides all the way to the bottom of your shorts. Make sure you mark and draw an outline because you will use that for cutting. Then you will add 3.5 inches to the top. And again, make sure you draw your outline. Once you have everything traced out and cut, it should look something similar to this. Now we are going to sew. First, you take your 2 pieces and flip the right side of the fabric in. Then you are going to sew a straight line along the side. Once you're done with the first side, go straight to the bottom and stitch a straight line on the crotch part. Once you are done, open it up. You are going to fold 2 inches down from the top and stitch a straight line all around, but leave an opening. Once you do that, you are going to stitch another line about 1/2 inch above the one you just did. But this one, go all the way around and don't leave an opening. We will do the leg holes next. First, you're going to fold 1/2 inch down and then stitch all the way around and leave an opening. They are similar to the waist. Next, we are going to cut our elastics and then pin it and loop it through all the holes, the leg holes and the waist. Once you have that done, stitch the elastics together. You're going to overlap the elastic about 3/4 of an inch and stitch back and forth several times so it doesn't come apart. Repeat this for the leg holes as well, and then you will close it up. Next, we are going to close up the openings. You're going to stretch it out and sew a straight line to close up the hole. That's it, you're done. This is a very simple and easy tutorial and it's really cute. And please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.